Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. This is Michelle Lynch with Keller Williams Realty Consultants in Roswell. Today I have a special treat. I am here in the heart of Buckhead hosting an open house for my colleague, Markia Watts, also of Keller Williams Realty Consultants. I am in this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo boasting about 1,300 square feet. The real numbers are 1,233 square feet, but it is nothing short of amazing. I love the concrete ceilings. That gives this place a really classy, sophisticated feel. When you walk through, you get nothing but floods of natural light from the 10-foot window or the 10-foot ceilings, but the big picture windows. It is open concept. It is really spacious. I love the attention to detail here. We've got a beautiful view of Midtown, and I know that's just inspiring for those who are working in the financial sector, working in Midtown, and you get, the first thing you get out of the bed and you put your feet on the ground, on the floor, and you see this view of where you're about to master the art of negotiations. Check that out. Isn't that amazing? And so I'm here in the master bedroom right now, and this is a beautiful master bedroom. It is spacious. Again, it's got this beautiful concrete ceiling and beams that give it a beautiful, just a nice touch of sophistication. I love that. This condo is priced at $449,000 with a monthly HOA of $685. Now that I got that mouthful out, we are in the bathroom, the master bathroom. And what I love the most about the master bathroom is not just this bathtub where the back reclines. So you don't need a bathtub pillow. Your bathtub is reclining, baby, ready for your relaxation and your what's the word I'm looking for? Your decompress session, right? It's got the elbow rest. And so you really can look forward to getting a nice, comfortable soak in that tub. I love that. One of the other things I love about this apartment or this bathroom in particular, is this mirror. I love that the mirror has the lighting on there. I'm not a makeup girly. I've just never been into makeup, but I love skincare. And so this would be a great place for you to, make sure you get the products in your skin. You know what I mean? See all the little imperfections that you need to correct. You know what I mean? Make sure your eyebrows are plucked properly. Get up all in there. Make sure you're looking good before you step out. I also love that this mirror will defrost or defog if you're taking a nice hot shower. And, usually the mirror will fog up, and then you do all that, and it just gets all messed up. You know what I mean? You do all of that with a towel or something, and it's all streaky. And so that will stop that from happening. I love that. And the master bedroom has a beautiful walk-in closet. Now, I'll be honest, you might need to come up here and patch up some holes because they had some things hanging, but the space, the bones of this closet is exquisitely pleasing for the price and the location. Yeah, I could do some things with this right here. I could do a lot with that right there. Yes, and so I want to say that they've got energy efficient appliances. They've got the toilet where if you're doing number one, do a little bit of water. You do number two, you do a lot of water. You know what I mean? Yeah, okay. TMI. But we all do it. So, yeah, there's that. And so now we're back in the communal space, the living room, dining room. They took the TV off, but you can see the possibilities. You can put maybe an 80-inch on that wall there, a projector even, go all the way digital, right? And here's the kitchen. I love that you've got this open concept. I love to entertain. And what's more important is that I love to be in the kitchen and, serving. I'm one of those people where I'm not going to have a nasty kitchen. Never. So as I'm serving and I'm cooking, I'm cleaning. And this way I don't have to be detached from the people that are out here in the common area having a good time. I can still be in the kitchen cleaning, cooking, putting things away, and still give my 2 cents. Like, no, are you kidding me? Like, are y'all getting ready for Super Bowl? It's too late now because it's literally tomorrow, right? But this would be a great place for you to host your Super Bowl party. Like, yeah, I can see it now. You've got the L-shaped couch. Maybe you don't want this big couch. You want maybe some separate seating because maybe all your friends don't get along. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Maybe you put them out on the balcony, whatever. But just see the possibilities here. And what if you got a roommate? You can buy this place and get yourself a roommate to help you cover the cost of your monthly mortgage and HOA. I love that this second bedroom has 2 ways to enter and 2 ways to access the bathroom. So that means if you have a roommate, you don't gotta see him. This is where's my rent money? That's it. Slide it under the door and go about your business. You know what I'm saying? So you get up in the morning, right? You get up in the morning, your door stays closed, you don't got to deal with anybody out there. You walk directly from your bedroom through your walk-in closet into your own bathroom. It's the communal bathroom. It's the bathroom that the entire house will use, your guests, but you can still lock it. Yeah. And you can handle your business. You can make it do what it do, right? And so it also, I love that they did not treat one bathroom better than the other. They both have this beautiful mirror where you can have that bathroom lighting where it will the mirror will defrost while you take your shower, and that's some Wi-Fi there, which means I should be able to look at some current events, some type of news here on the screen. I haven't figured out how to work that yet, and it doesn't belong to me, so I'm not gonna touch it. That part. But I will tell you that if you are interested in seeing this unit in person, I would love to make that happen for you. Give me a call or a DM or an email, and we can talk about this potentially being your new home. You ready to see some more? I know you are. That's okay. That's what I'm here for. Let's do it. All right, come on. All right, so now we are in the kitchen. The kitchen is gorgeous. I love the black countertops. Now, normally, I love a white kitchen. I love the black countertops with the white cabinets. I think it sets the tone. It is so sexy. It definitely is. This is unique to me and it stood out. They've got the microwave has a black handle. I've never seen that before, but it works. It's like a piece of art in the kitchen. The house does not come with a Ninja. Do not ask. It does not come with the house, okay? I love the pendulum lighting. It's very elegant. very subtle. It adds more to the natural light that's already flowing into the home. I also love this huge laundry room. Like, hello, this thing is huge. Look at this laundry room. Same height, 10-inch ceilings. It's got the exposed ductwork, which I love. I wish that were out there. Oh my gosh. Like, you guys know I'm from New York. That whole design with the exposed ductwork and the concrete ceilings, that is so Soho. That is so Tribeca. That is so Dumbo. I love it. And that came from where they they turned old commercial buildings into condos, and it just, yeah. So I guess this is why I like this place so much. But as I was saying, this is a huge laundry closet. You can stack sheets here. You can stack towels here. You can stack and if you are one of those couponers and you like to, get in on all the deals, you can get your toilet paper on, your detergent, anything that you stack, your little, what is that called? It doesn't come to mind right now, but you know what I'm saying, right? And so, yeah, it's really spacious. You've even got places where you can hang on the wall and still it doesn't look cluttered. One thing about me you guys need to know, I hate clutter and I hate a mess. So, yeah, there's that. I love when there's a palette for me to organize and really be able to put things in the proper place. That is everything. Okay, so I did show you guys the master bedroom and the closet, right? And so some of you guys are really fashionistas, and you're probably like, well, that is not enough space for me. Hold on to your seat, because right at the front door, and which is where we are right now, the front door, to the left of the front door is a huge closet. Okay? This is like, if you're a New Yorker, you know. This is the size of some of y'all's bedrooms. It is. Like, let's take a walk into the closet. Now, so the lights, there's no light in here, or am I just not tall enough? Okay, the light is up there, but I'm a shorty. So let's see if I can get it to go on. Okay, no, the battery's dead. So, yeah, anyway, this is the walk-in closet. And so what I would do, and what you fashionistas can imagine yourselves doing, is putting, swapping out your seasons. You swap out your winter for your summer. You swap out your summer for your winter. And you label everything. Another great space where the ceilings go all the way up, even in the closet. So they've got 3 floating shelves. Just imagine how you could rebuild out this as a California closet, like another closet. Oh, amazing. I love it. That is rare. You don't really find that a lot in a condo. That's something you would find in a house, right? That's something that you would find in a house. This is the boiler. Sorry, not the boiler. This is another closet here on the side. So like this place is really full of lots of storage. So it does not disappoint in that way. That you're in an apartment. You're in an apartment, but you've got the storage to really pack everything in. For those of you who are looking to downsize and you're just not sure, you're really attached to your things, there's definitely enough space here. Even here in the dining room area, they've got this little, I want to say it could be a little area where when you are entertaining and people are gathering in your home, you could put a little buffet right here. Would be amazing. got lighting under here, but the lighting is you just have to replace the batteries, or you could innovate that in your own way. But it's great. I love this right here. There's more room for storage down here. So this place is amazing. And now I'm going to take you to the last part of the tour, which is outside. Because why do we want to live in Buckhead? Because we like to be outside. Because there's nothing more aggravating than being in traffic for 50 minutes to go 10 miles. And that is Atlanta. So now just imagine yourself coming home from work, getting all your shave in and your shower in, and you can go right down to the corner and hang out at Luca. Luca is popping. Yes, it is. And this is your view. What if you just want to stay home and you really don't want to mess with Luca down the block or be outside, but you are literally outside? And this is your view from outside. You see downtown right there? Ooh. Isn't that cute? I love it. And just imagine how beautifully lit it will be at night. All the lights are shining. And say hi, neighbor. Hi, neighbor. Hi. There goes the neighbor. She's cute, guys. Okay. And so this is what you can expect to enjoy and come home to every day if you chose this condo. It is definitely worth the money. Take it from an old New Yorker. This is a quality piece of real estate right here. Now, if you want to find out anything else about the condo, you know how to reach me. I would love to earn your business and tell you more about how you can make this condo yours. Two pretty ladies, but I'll let them, I will let them enjoy their privacy. So now you might be saying, well, damn, that's a little close, girl. That's a little close, sis. They do have different things that you can do to give yourself privacy. They've got privacy curtains that are sturdy. They're not blowing in the wind. You could create a whole oasis out there. Drink your beer, your wine if you're a wino, or your coffee in the morning, your hot chocolate, or your herbal tea. For a spot of tea, that would be a great place, right? All right, guys, again, Michelle Grace Lynch with Keller Williams Realty Consultants. This is an exclusive of Marquia Watts, also of Keller Williams Realty Consultants. How you doing? Yes. Y'all like that, right? Y'all like that? Y'all like that? Y'all like that? Come get it. Later.